Well, tonight, for the first time, we're hearing from a family that owns the last dairy farm in Mecklenburg County.
TM Westmoreland Sons Farm sold its Huntersville property to Shea Homes for almost $25 million. WCNC Charlotte's Walker Lawson sat down with the Westmoreland family who's been farming this land for generations as they prepare to say goodbye.
Well, the Westmoreland family has called this farmland home for over a century, and now they're milking up the final months as a new development is on the way.
As a third-generation farmer, Keith Westmoreland knows every inch of this property.
This is the house where we grew up.
Currently, he, his wife, son, brother, and sister-in-law all live on the property. But it's not like the farm used to be 20 years ago.
We used to milk over 100 cows.
Last year, they quit farming, but a decision had to be made.
Was that an easy decision?
No, it was not. We ran out of farmland to farm. We leased a bunch of property to grow crops. All those have been developed, and we kept picking up land and surviving. And the past 5-6 years, it's been barely keeping the head above water.
Now, the hum of tractors will fade and the sound of construction will begin, as the land that sustained their family for generations will become a neighborhood with 260 homes.
We sold because our lifestyle here on this farm has changed and can't go back because of traffic, because of cars.
Today, Keith rides his golf cart through the same fields where he once worked early mornings and late nights, as he says goodbye.
It's just home, and home's going to be hard to replace.
The family says they have until August of 2026 to move from the land. Reporting in Huntersville, Walker Lawson, WCNC Charlotte.